child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
Ang pag-ibig, pag siyang naghari, araw-araw ay magiging Pasko lagi.
Merry Christmas from Ilocano Mix Club. From Ilocano Mix Club.